Finally. Oh. Scaring dog.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Joe Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Apple River to near Massbach, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Lena, Stockton, Warren, Pearl City, Cedarville, Davis, Dakota, German Valley, Winslow, Rock City, Rydon, Noaa, Buena Vista, Lauren, Rock Grove, Oneco, Orangeville, Kent, and Illeroy. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois. A severe